Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. Let us continue the next unit guys. So in this unit we will be covering multiple components guys. So basically initially we'll be discussing like 5 to 10 lectures about software quality assurance. So how you should check the quality of a software and what are the measures you'll be taking like that. So after that we'll be going through testing strategies and testing guys. So basically it is nothing but testing. So you'll be going through testing and after that we will be going through product matrices. Okay, so these are the three concepts that we'll be covering in this basic unit. Okay, so I think we discussed about everything guys except coding. We will be discussing everything about software engineering, how the process is going on. Okay, so in this lecture let us introduced with software quality assurance. Okay, it is popularly called as SQA guys. Okay, SQA is simply a way to assure quality in the software. So basically to know the quality of a particular software, we will be going for this software quality assurance. So it is a set of activities which ensure the process, procedure as well as the standards suitable for the project and implement correctly. So to make them implement correctly and in the way that they want. So basically this definition you might be sounding it a bit tough, right? So say, in our words we can say that software quality assurance is a process that ensures that development of software meets and compiles with the desired standard specifications. So basically initially our client or the customer will be giving some requirements, right? So based on that requirements our end product is there or not. So that is nothing but software quality assurance guys. Simple words can say that. So SQA is an ongoing process within the software development lifecycle. That is nothing but SDLC. So basically after every particular step you will be checking with the client, right? So I told you checking with the client is mandatory, because if you don't have a clarity or if you don't inform client that this is what you want, if you are not asking him, he will be designing something else and you will be getting something else. He'll be thinking of something and you'll be designing something. So that will be a huge issue. So that is the reason why software quality assurance is one of the most important thing. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea about SQA. So in the next lecture, we'll be going through the activities of SQA. Okay. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.